Welcome friends. In this video you would learn how to generate vectors in RStudio. Uh, Friends, first of all we need to just remove all the variables in the object. Here we have some variables already, so we need to remove them. So there are two ways to remove them. First, you can use the command rm in brackets list is equal to ls in brackets. If you use this command, it would remove all the objects from the environment. So you go there and click run. Everything is removed. One another way to remove all the variable is using this clear object from the workspace. Yes. Okay friends, after removing we come to the lecture. Okay friends, so first thing is, what is a vector? So here friends, I want to let you know that R has a simplest object, that is a vector. If a vector contains only a single scalar, only one value, that is also a vector that has only one value. So vector is an atomic object that cannot be what to say divided further. So vector is the simplest object in R. We can generate a vector in R using C command. C stands for combine. We can combine values, observations, names in a vector. All the values in the vector should be of same type. Just keep it in mind, friends. Okay, just come to the examples. Suppose I say I generate a vector x. Here I say I generate a vector x with the help of C command. C, in brackets I mention the values 5 and separate the values using comma 6, comma 9, comma 10. Here you can take n number of values as per the list you have. So 5, 6, 9, 10, it could be n number. I am just keeping it 4 because my purpose is just to explain, not to make some vectors. So I am creating a vector x equals c 5, 6, 9, 10. It's a numerical vector with 4 observations or elements. Okay friends, this is a vector. I come here and use run command. Instead of run command, you can simply click here and use control enter. You can use control enter. It would do the same thing as we do by this run. So now we have a vector which is a numeric numeric vector that contains 4 elements 1 to 4, 4 elements 5, 6, 9, 10. Okay friends, it has come here in object window. Now one thing you need to learn here is all the objects in a vector should be of same type. They could be either numeric, logical, character, but they all should be of same type. We will discuss these all type in next video. One more example friends, we are generating one more vector y using C by combining different names here, Ram, Sham, Sam, Thomas. It's a character vector which contains 4 elements and use control enter. So now we are having 4 values here. You can see it's 4 values here. Okay friends. We will discuss all types of vectors in this next video. Now, why do we create vectors? What is the benefit of vectors? One thing, friends, I want to mention here, uh, all the data we have in finance, economics, and any other subject, all are in terms of vectors. All the variables are like a vector. Every column of a matrix is a vector. Every column of a data frame is a vector. So vector is the simplest object of R. Okay friends, we can use these vectors to make a data frame or matrix by using cbind column bind function. If we use cbind column bind function here, then we could just add them. We can combine them, like combine x and y. But one thing you need to keep in mind, all the variables, all the vectors we have like x and y vectors we are combining here, they should be of same length. Number of observations should be same in both or all the vectors we are combining. So here x also has 4 elements, Y also has 4 elements, so we can combine them by using control enter. And now we have one more vector one matrix Z here. We can click here. This is Z matrix. Click here. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 rows are here. Z and Y are 2 columns here. Okay friends, so this is the way we can generate vectors. We can combine them and make a matrix. In the next video, in upcoming videos, we would also discuss the difference between matrix, data frame or list structures, because the difference between them is very useful, because you need to understand when should we use matrix, data frame or list, because uses of them are different. Thanks friends, keep watching. Thanks friends, keep watching.